A two-day workshop on election news-related reporting in the run-up to the Lok Sabha polls is underway at the Indian Institute of Mass Communications, New Delhi. Editors and correspondents from Prasar Bharati are taking part in this workshop. While addressing the gathering, Chief Election Commissioner V.S. Sampath said both media and Election Commission are partners and media plays a pivotal role in raising awareness among the public.
Media is our partner in enforcing model code. So you should act as our partner. In short, you should act as our eyes and ears with regard to model code. Whatever, because your reach is something fantastic. Perhaps there may not be any other in the country.
In his address, INB Secretary Bimal Julka conceded that paid news is a challenge for both the election watchdog and the ministry.
As on date, the cases for paid news, how to deal with them is a big challenge both for the Election Commission and for the Ministry of INB. The roadmap for future is extremely critical as the industry will have to address the new emerging parameters in the media landscape. Dynamism of content with objectivity will be one of the critical parameters in determining the operational efficiency and connect with the readers.
Prasar Bharati CEO Jauhar Sircar said the coming 4 months are crucial for the public broadcaster. He added that it will be the responsibility of Prasar Bharati to disseminate right information among the people.
I'm sure there's some amount of amity on this, is that we need to professionalize people who come to the electronic media. It's not the same job as writing press notes. It calls for a different skill set. So what happens is, I see from the pain in the eyes of some of our officers who join, who are completely unfamiliar with the setup, that they require some amount of familiarization and circulation within the electronic media.
Addressing the gathering, DD News Director General S.M. Khan said the entire Doordarshan reporters and editors team is taking part in the workshop. He added that the main aim of DD News will be to make people aware about the importance of voting.
एक तो सबसे बड़ा जैसा चीफ इलेक्शन कमिश्नर ने भी कहा और हम इसके बहुत बड़े उनके पार्टनर हैं वोटर अवेयरनेस, क्योंकि अभी जितना वोटिंग परसेंटेज ज़्यादा हुआ है इसमें कहीं ना कहीं मीडिया का बहुत बड़ा रोल रहा है और AIR और दूरदर्शन का भी बहुत बड़ा रोल रहा है कि इतनी बड़ी तादाद में लोग आए और उन्होंने वोट कास्ट किए और अभी जो इलेक्शंस हुए उसमें 80% तक कई जगह पर वोटिंग हुआ। तो यही कोशिश होगी कि हम लोग उनके जो वोटर अवेयरनेस कैंपेन है उसमें पूरा भागीदार बने और ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा लोगों को इसकी जागरूकता हो और अवेयरनेस हो और ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा तादाद में लोग 2014 के पार्लियामेंट इलेक्शन में लोकसभा चुनावों में वोट डालने आए।
It's important for the media to adhere to the Election Commission's Model Code of Conduct, generate awareness among citizens and provide credible news. In such a scenario, the two-day workshop will be beneficial for media persons. With Neeraj Singh, Bureau Report, DD News.